DRL Y01 Smart Setup, Getting Started and Connection Guide.
Initial fingerprint registration. To add initial fingerprint, pry open the battery case and find this as shown in the video. Press and hold the button until the green light starts blinking rapidly. Follow the video instructions and place your finger on the fingerprint reader on the lock. Once the light stops blinking, the fingerprint input is successful. To add another fingerprint, press the button on the battery case once and input the fingerprint while the green light keeps blinking. Once the light stops blinking, the fingerprint input is successful.